Okay, this is a C major scale, and we are being asked to give the correct chords that are built on each scale degree. What's happening here? Well, when you think of a piece of music being in a key, you're thinking of a group of notes that are being used in various ways. The scale is those same notes, just in an ascending and then descending order. So that's what we have here. We have a C major scale starting on the note C and then climbing up to the C an octave above that. Now, if we're going to build chords off of these notes, what we're going to do is we're going to stack thirds. So if we have our one chord, which is going to be a C chord, some kind of a C chord, we stack thirds and we just use the notes of the scale. So the one chord would have the notes C, E, and then G. Our two chord would have the notes D, F, A. Our three chord would have the notes E, G, and B. I'm just skipping every other note in my scale. The four chord would have the notes F, A, C. The five chord would have the notes G, B, and D. The sixth chord would have the notes A, C, skip another third, E. And then the seven chord would have the notes B, D, and F. I've just used the notes that are available to me here. I'm just skipping every other letter name. Now you'll notice when I wrote the Roman numerals, some of them are big, some of them are small. This seven chord here has a little circle next to it. This ends up being the quality of the chord. So with the capital Roman numeral, that means it's a major chord. The lowercase Roman numeral, that means it's a minor chord. And then the circle here on the seven chord, that's a diminished chord. And this is what happens when you have the notes of a major scale and you're stacking thirds to build the chords and just using those notes. In a major key, the one chord is major, the two chord is minor, three is minor, the four and the five chords are both major, the six chord is minor, and the seven chord is diminished. It's always this way.